Hello children and welcome in our next video. Good night Anu, revision video part 4. In our last video we had a lot of discussion about having a time together with a family, things that we do together in a family, and love and care about the within the family members, and other things like the things Anu used to do. All these we have already discussed in our last video. Today we will discuss about having a dinner together at home. Uh, Usually it is a time where all family members sit together and have a discussion about different topics in a day. Actually, this is the most enjoyable time of a day when we have dinner together, because here we can discuss so many things that we wanted to discuss, but due to less time or due to the non-management of time, we are unable to discuss the things within the family. So here we can get a chance to have a discussion upon different topics in a family on different things to do or to decide, right? So these things are all discussion, this type of all discussions we can have having a dinner together, right? Usually we do a lot of discussion on dinner table. This type of discussions are sometimes very funny, and sometimes these discussions are serious also, because if the topics are serious to be discussed, so we will discuss it on the dinner table, or whatever the good things, the funny things happen today, we will discuss that things also on our dinner table. So actually this dinner table discussion has a most value for the day, because all the family members are sitting together, and all the family members are having the say different type of topics to discuss. So here I will explain you certain topics or discussions that usually we do on dinner table. So, usually we discuss the things that are going, that we are going to follow for tomorrow. Means whenever we come for dinner on dinner table, certain things remain in our mind for tomorrow. We think for tomorrow's planning. What, for example, what is my tomorrow's tuition time? What is my tomorrow's practice time, and what I am going to wear for tomorrow, and which type of assignments I have to complete for tomorrow. All this discussion, all these thoughts we have in our mind, right? So here we will discuss all these topics. We discuss about tomorrow's topics for the day on dinner table. For example, our dad. Let us talk about our dad. Our dad decides tomorrow's work schedule while eating. Means whenever we see our dad eating on the table, his face shows lots of things. Facial expressions speaks a lot, and whenever we wanted to have a talk with our father, he just keeps smiling and eating. And why is this smile? Because there are a lot of things in our dad's minds to decide for tomorrow. Actually, our dad make the whole schedule for tomorrow. Okay, this and this time I have to leave from my house, and this time I have to join a meeting with the boss and all other things, right? So these type of topics are there in our father's mind while having a dinner together. Then we decide what to wear tomorrow's on my friend's party. Means, I mind tomorrow is Sunday and I have to go to my friend's birthday party. So mama, what dress I will wear tomorrow? Can you please decide a dress for me? After having this dinner, we will go in my room and you just suggest me which dress should I wear tomorrow for my friend's party. So this discussion usually our sisters has in their mind, and they discuss with the mother or anyone else. Then mom decides the things to buy for tomorrow's kitchen cooking. Means our mother, as she is a master chef of our house, it will be always there in her mind, okay, what is my tomorrow's menu, what I have to prepare for tomorrow in breakfast, what I have to prepare for tomorrow in lunch and dinner. So let me make a list of the vegetables and the groceries that I need for it. And immediately whenever it's morning, I have to go to the market and I have to purchase all these things. One thing, I have to purchase pickles tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to make a pickle, so I have to bring the green mangoes from the market and I have to make a pickle. Let I will take a help of my auntie. She is very good in making the pickle. So tomorrow what I will do, I will just make my list for the materials, raw materials that are required for making a pickle, and then directly I will purchase it, and from there only I will go to that auntie's home and I will pick her, and then we both will make the what we will say pickle tomorrow. So these kind of discussions will be there in our mother's mind, and our sister will decide to have a fun or to meet with our childhood friend. Means tomorrow I have to meet to my childhood friend, so I have to be ready for that. Okay, then brother will decide to go for a football practice. I have to, tomorrow is Sunday, I have to go for football practice. Since I am not able to attend my practice from last 2-3 days, so anyhow I will manage tomorrow. I will go and attend that practice. So this type of discussions usually we have on a dinner table. But the most serious thing is in our mother's mind. We can say sometimes our mother's facial expressions are different, and still our mother is smiling. Actually, this is a worriness about today's day, because she is a superwoman of the house, and she do lot of work throughout the day, and we still bother her. We again and again go to her and ask a silly stupid things, small things to our mother, and she fed up. So after we finish our dinner, our mother will make an excuse and let all us to go in our room, and they both will discuss. Means our parents, mother and father, will discuss about the day, and our mother will actually complain about us, whatever we done today and how we bothered her. So in this way we have our dinner daily. So I will say you one thing, that having a dinner together with a family is a fun and most enjoyable moment of the day, because all the family members are together here. We can discuss lots of things on a dinner table having a lunch, right? So I will explain you more things about the having a dinner. As we are Indians and we follow certain cultural rules for having a meal. So as we all know, before having a meal we should always pray thank you to God for having this meal, because in this world so many poor people are there, they cannot get even a one time meal for a day. So we are very lucky person that Allah or God or Bhagwan is always keeping a watch on us, and He is always ready to provide a full day meal to us. So we should always be thankful for us. So now we will learn some table manners whenever we come for dinner. So let's learn some table manners. First of all, I have discussed with you कि always we should come with a happy and smiley face whenever we comes on the dinner table. And our mother always ready keep ready so many things on the dinner table. So always try to taste at least one bite of everything. Don't refuse directly to your mother कि mom, no, I had enough, that rice is enough for me, one chapati is enough for me. So always taste at least one bite of everything. And if you want something that is very far away from your place, so just say please, and please can you pass that dish to me. And after you getting that dish, say thank you. Talk about your day. Don't, whenever you have a dinner with your family, just don't keep silence. Talk about the day. Then eat your fruits and veggies. Don't just eat your favorite veggies and fruits. Try to eat everything. Last slide is remaining. Try to eat everything. Don't just taste your favorite things, but try to eat everything. And don't forget one thing: after finishing your lunch, don't directly get up from the table. Have a long breath. Pray thank you to your God. Say thank you to your God for providing this precious meal to you. And just don't go in your bedrooms, or don't go help your mother to arrange that unclean utensils in the sink, and let you both wash. Help your mother to wash this utensil. So laugh, smile, and enjoy being with your family. Okay, thank you. And thank you for watching this. And I hope that you will follow the table manners, and you will always keep the poor people in your minds and be kind with them, and keep watching. Till then, be safe. Have a good day.